Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today I'm going to round up all the recipes I've made using Sriracha. I love this delicious condiment. I must tell you, this is not a sponsored video. I'm simply doing it because A, I love the sauce, and B, I found a shirt that matches it perfectly. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week, and do ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now make sure to check out all of these recipes that I'm going to leave in a playlist at the end of this video. We're going to start with a Sriracha turkey meatball ramen. This is delicious. Ramen is loved by both adults and kids, and this one uses Sriracha just to give it that little bit something something. Avocado toast is all the rage, but when you add crab and top it with Sriracha, it takes it to a whole other level. Last year, I discovered cauliflower fried rice, and it isn't quite the same with a generous squirt of Sriracha. And this video is one of the most popular videos on my channel, a Kani Japanese crab salad. This recipe is stellar. Crab sticks are tossed together with mayonnaise and a Sriracha to make a delicious creamy salad. I love firecracker shrimp, but it's not firecracker unless you dab a little Sriracha before you wrap it. Forget buffalo cauliflower. Sriracha cauliflower is way better. Give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed all of these recipes using Sriracha sauce. Be sure to check out my channel. I have so many other recipes there as well. Make sure to share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's bell icon, that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.